What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and welcome to my unboxing and hands-on of the Alcatel One X. So let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing. Taking a look at the side of the box, you get some specifications there. 5.3-inch display, 18:9 aspect ratio, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 in the front. You're getting a flash to the back, fingerprint sensor. This is running Android O Go edition. Taking a look at the back of the box gives you some more specifications. So this is going to be unlocked 4G LTE for GSM carriers, a quad-core CPU clocked at 1.3 gigahertz, 16 gigs of ROM, 1 gig of RAM, and a 2460 milliamp hour non-removable battery. And I'll go ahead and open up the box. And opening up the box, as you can see, you got the Alcatel One X nestled right there on top. Now with the One X, it is unlocked for all GSM carriers, like I mentioned earlier. It does retail for $99.99. You can purchase this off of Amazon. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below of this video if anybody is interested in picking this up. But this is the device right here. You get some specifications right there to that pre-installed screen protector. I'm going to place the device off to the side and share with you what else is included in the box. So you are getting your Alcatel branded wall brick, all black color, as you can see there. Also included is your micro USB data cable, so no Type-C on the Alcatel One X. Moving on from there, you are getting Alcatel branded headphones, and that is pretty sweet. I love the fact that Alcatel does include this with the purchase. You're also getting your SIM removal tool and some reading material, a quick start guide, and safety and precautions. You get another bonus here. You get a screen protector with the purchase of the One X, and again, these are all nice little bonuses. Headphones, screen protector, very nice. And moving on to the Alcatel One X now. So as you can see from this screen protector, it does give you some specifications, but one thing it doesn't mention is the One X actually has a front firing speaker. So the earpiece is actually your front firing speaker as well. Let me give you a tour around the One X. So on the right hand side, you got your volume rockers there, and then you also got your textured power button, and they seem to be in pretty good placement. To the bottom there, you get your micro USB charging port as well as your microphone. Taking a look at the left hand side, you get your tray there that's going to be housing your SIM card. You can also input a micro SD card there to expand the storage. Up on top, 3.5mm headphone jack, as well as your noise cancellation mic. And moving to the back of the One X, so as you can see there, you get that 8 megapixel rear facing camera, you get LED flash, fingerprint sensor on this as well, Alcatel branding. You're also getting a 2460 milliamp hour non-removable battery. Now with this back cover here, it does have a nice soft finish to it. Alcatel website does say it's a suede finish, but it does feel pretty nice. It doesn't appear like it's picking up fingerprints or oils off my skin. It does have a decent amount of weight to it, coming in at 5.32 ounces. So I'm gonna go ahead and power on the Alcatel One X. So there we go, removing the pre-installed screen protector. Alcatel powered by Android, and again, this is a Go edition phone. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all set up, ready to go, and share with you some more features that the One X has to offer. Alright, so I got the device set up, ready to go. Power button definitely has some good texture to it, nice and easy to locate. You got some quick shortcuts to the bottom of your lock screen, and sliding up gets you into your home screen. Alright, so a 5 megapixel front facing camera. You also got your earpiece there that doubles up as your front firing speaker and an LED flash. You got your Google search bar up on top, and if you press right there, that will basically get you into your Google Go. So it's setting up. I haven't connected this to Wi-Fi. On-screen buttons there, as you can see, and going back into the home screen. So this does have a 5.3-inch display, 18:9 aspect ratio, and you can go ahead and take a look at the bezels. Now this is going to be a 480p resolution display. Just kind of keep that in mind. Jumping into the wallpapers here, we'll just kind of scroll through some of the pre-installed wallpapers, and you can get a better idea of the type of quality of this 480p resolution display. All right, so I'll go ahead and exit out of the wallpapers. Now you also have your Google folder here, and as you can see, the design of the apps there for your Google applications. And those are the ones that are pre-installed. So we'll go ahead and exit out of there. And then you have your Photos application, Facebook Lite, and Google Play Store. And that's basically what you have on the home screen. Jumping into the app drawer, all the applications that you see here is what is installed on the One X. So I haven't connected this to Wi-Fi, haven't downloaded any type of application. So this is basically what you have. You have a search option up on top, and this is a great opportunity for me to share with you the keyboard, and this is running Gboard. So you get a lot of customizable features that does come along with Gboard, and then I'll go ahead and share with you some of the emojis, and those are the ones that the Gboard does have to offer. All right, so exiting out of the app drawer, what I want to do next is pull down the status bar and share with you some of the quick toggles that are available. So you got your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, sound, auto rotate, location, and you can also edit these to your liking. You can also rearrange these if you'd like to. Next, what I'm going to do is jump into settings here and show you some other options that are available. So I'm going to go ahead and go into network and connections, and as you can see there, this connects to 2 gigahertz but no 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And you also have tethering and portable hotspot, which is always a nice feature. And then next, I'll go ahead and jump into display. So the Alcatel One X is running Joy Launcher, so you do have that on the One X. Now you have a feature here for your navigation bar, your on-screen buttons. It basically gives you 2 options that are available for switching up those on-screen buttons. But not only that, a feature that I really like is the fact that you can hide the navigation buttons just like that and get a full viewing experience on your One X. Now what you can also do is change the background color to the on-screen button bar to the bottom there. So, you know, some good stuff that I'm seeing here, and I'll go ahead and share with you, just kind of switching up some of these colors. It might be kind of hard to see with my camera here, but you have that available. All right, so you also have mirror vision, you have a night mode. Basically what night mode does is it reduces eye strain, eye fatigue. So if you're using your One X at night in a dark environment, you don't want that very bright display shining at you, so you can actually adjust the color temperature, which is actually a pretty cool feature. You also have adaptive brightness on this, and you have a one-handed mode. So if you have smaller hands, this 5.3-inch display might be kind of large for you, so you can enable this feature here. You can actually shrink down the display on the Alcatel One X, and it gives you some options there to the bottom. Pretty cool in my opinion. All right, so moving on from there, you got your auto rotate screen, change the font size, the display size, ambient display as well. So you're gonna get all your notifications right on the lock screen. I really like that feature. All right, so moving on from there, security and location. So with the Alcatel One X, you are getting that rear mounted fingerprint sensor, which is a great security feature. Now with this fingerprint sensor here, you get some functionality behind it. You can clear all notifications, you can take a photo and video, go back to the home screen, pick up a call. You can also show the notification panel just by swiping down on the fingerprint sensor. So these are all excellent features. And I'll go ahead and share with you how it is to set up the fingerprint sensor. And it's actually a very simple process. And all you got to do is just press down to the fingerprint sensor multiple times to different areas of your finger, and you can add additional fingerprints as well. So testing out the One X fingerprint sensor, it does seem to be working pretty well. As you can see, it is unlocking the One X each and every time. I actually registered both fingers. And so, you know, testing it out on this hand now, it's unlocking perfectly fine, no issues there. And again, a great security feature. And I love the fact is by swiping down on the fingerprint sensor, brings down your status bar, your notification panel. Excellent. Jumping back into settings here, into storage. The Alcatel One X does have 16 gigabytes of ROM. Internal storage, 4.05 is used out of the box. On the side right there, you can actually input a micro SD card. So if you need to, you can definitely expand the storage. So moving on from there, go ahead and go into, let's see what else we got here to share. We'll go into systems now, and then I'll go ahead and go into about phone. As you can see, the One X is on May 5th, 2018 security patch and 8.1.0 Oreo, and that is excellent. That's actually a higher version than a lot of other phones that I actually have, so excellent to see that. Moving on from there, let's go ahead and jump into the camera now. So I just want to share with you, the camera interface. Now this is a 8 megapixel rear facing camera with LED flash. You got your different shortcuts to the side there, flash, timer, HDR. You also got different filters to choose from. You got 9 different ones that are available. And moving on to video recording, we'll just do a quick sample video here, just so you can kind of see a little bit of the quality that can be expected with the One X. You also have an option to pause and resume recording. You can also take a photo while you are recording as well. So it will just kind of, take a quick little video here. And then I also want to share with you the different modes that are available. So you got time lapse, social, light trace, and then jumping into settings here, you can change the picture size, the video quality, highest resolution. Go ahead and click on that. There is going to be full HD 1080p resolution. Now you also have video stabilization, electronic image stabilization, grid lines, and some additional features there. And that was just a quick look at the camera interface. All right, so that's basically it. That was my unboxing and hands-on of the Alcatel One X. Again, this does retail for $99.99. It is unlocked for all GSM carriers, and it is an Android Go edition smartphone. So far, it seems pretty decent, especially for the price. Definitely a decent entry-level smartphone. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section down below. If you're interested in purchasing this, a link is in the description below of this video to Amazon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.